So welcome to my channel, friends. Today in this video we are going to see about insert query in SQL. So why the insert query is using? So for inserting a data into your table, the insert query is used. It is very simple query, but the thing you have to be careful in this is you have to give the data to all the fields, or the data, how many data fields you are using. Based on that, the comma will select that fields. So that will be very important for the inserting into the data. So change type, insert values. So see here, the query is insert into your table values. So here you have to give your fields. So what are the things you have to remind in your mind is so while creating your table, so which field should be you have given not null. So which field should be entered, that should you have to give the values. That values you have to give here. So either you are giving data to a field or not, but the comma separator should give how many fields you have used. That fields you have to give here. So how is, so see here in my table, new table, I am using how many fields? 2, 4, 6 fields. So either I am giving data or not. How to select 6 commas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these will separate your data. So first you have to give register number, student name, and then class, and then section, and then father name, and then so here you have to be careful in that what are the symbols, or what are the data you have used. So either you have used in caps letter or small letter, underscore or dot or comma, everything you have to be clear. So what is what data you have given in your table, that you have to type here also. If you miss or mistaken any one thing also, the query will not be executed. Okay, so another one is while giving values, if you have 6 fields, you have to give 6 values. So otherwise the query will not be executed. So register number is 4, student name is A, and then class A section, LKG, and then section A section, further BBB, and then address something. So I am verifying my SQL syntax. Okay, so quotation I have to give here. For using a character, you have to use single quotation in insert query. So you can see here the columns which are set is here it is showing. So execute SQL, one row affected by the last query. So now we can select the data from this table. I am selecting execute SQL. So see here, So which row we have inserted, either it is present or not, we can see here. So see here, fourth row, that is we have inserted this column. So if you have missed any one data also, this query will not be executed. So for example, so I am not giving the address value here. Show what is showing the error. Incorrect syntax near. So it is showing the value. There are more columns in the insert statement than values specified in the values class. The number of values in the values class must match to the number of columns specified in the insert statement. So number of class values should be matched to the number of columns. So here I have to use a something. So I have given all the data. So now query is executed successfully. So in this way you can insert the data into your table. So be in mind with that, you have to give all the data to the specified fields. Don't forget to give all the data to the specified fields. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt in this video, drop your comments in my comment page, and don't forget to click the bell symbol, and don't forget to click the subscribe. Thank you.